And now, just to recap quickly, I set up my routes for users and nodes or resources for this core service that it will orchestrate software through Node.js or JavaScript. And today, or the last couple of days, I've been working on zipping and encrypting packages. So what that ended up going into is the command line interface for the orchestration, the front end of the orchestration, and then we'll build a front end like on the web that will use this command line interface, just not the server parts. And then, so that involved, the server involved watching a directory for changes and then zipping it and encrypting those contents. And then yesterday I got to the server the edge server, which basically watched that file for now, but it will watch the database in the future. So it's watching the file and it's unzipping and unencrypting these files, which means that our which means that our save function will have to scaffold and sandbox that same code today. So that's where I left off. What I want to say is that there's going to be a different save option for front end or compiled packages. And so this is for, there's going to be a different core versus edge as well, because actually this is more important, because what will need to happen is we'll need to send a certain package that is encrypted for the admin user. We'll need to encrypt it for each different user. So core is encrypting for the user, and then the edge is just sandboxing, running. So these are the kind of use cases that are overloaded in this save method on the package as it runs for the edge. I don't know, I guess I could run this as a pod, and then it would go somewhere else. I haven't decided everything yet. I just want to make sure that, do this small test and make sure that I can run pods as in Sandbox. So I just need to get this package that I installed actually to make sure that it runs some asynchronous code. That right now the package is from here, so I could technically just look into this index file and try changing this and see what's going on. The way I run with this, like I could run this in the sandbox, and what makes the sandbox run is from here. Node.js. I run my client interface with the package name. So when I go and include a file here, this is a cool trick. So it gets persisted to the packages like so. Let's see. I'm not sure. What's going on now? Oh, I did it in the wrong place, of course. So here, I put this in the watched project, and then I see it appear here sometime. Did it not see the change? That's a weird bug. Or maybe it's not running the right thing? Okay. Oh, I see. I'm not running the server. That's what's going on. So here, if I just run this, Then when I go to my packages and I add that, then I see the comments. Of course, it's gotta be not too fast. Let's see. Now did it run? Okay. See if I build it again. Wait. Okay, so finally I got it. And then if I delete it, then I should see it update. I can see something here happen here. Let's see.
LaSalle College is hunted.
Okay, so it's supposed to be installing. Right. And delete. Why do I care about delete? Oh, because I would try and delete this folder, but I didn't pass in the parameter. That's why I care about delete. Okay. Great. So it built, but it didn't want to run any other way. Okay then. So it was supposed to wait. Did I not wait on the delete either? Yeah. How did I end up with two things in my... Let's see. Great. So now it's running as it should be. I have no idea how I created that bar. This is what I was trying to show before. That it's syncing the two folders. Okay, so now I'm gonna sandbox it. and I need the main class. Oh, cool. So, name and main. Let's see. I'm gonna change this project. Name and main. Oh, okay. Const start call equals requires from my package. Okay, so what if I run something else here? Timeout and sandbox. What is built in? For all. Cool. Oh, okay. Just a function. So this is main. And I go set timeout. No, set interval. Cool. Every 5,000, and then console.log args. So here's working fine. Okay, and then import from somewhere. Right, so I gotta change the name here just to wall. Oh, start wall, yeah. I don't care about this. Okay. So if I go require from and I do literal strings.
One obvious reason to come to the
Oh, cool. I didn't know that was a string literal. Very cool. So, I do this. And then I do this. Oh, cool. And then I do in packages run. And packages run. And then it's path join. Arg, no. Name. Dot name. So that's it's done like that. And then I'm gonna have everything in here for now. This console gets passed around. And I only do that once because once it saves, then it'll just be stuck in that loop. Function in sandbox. World. Wow. Oh, okay, so every time it runs this function in sandbox, it runs this. So it passes, it even allows you to pass in arguments, which is really cool. The VM run. Okay, but that's not what I want. What I want is something else. Function VM run. Oh, so it passes these arguments, and then sometime it runs this function inside that sandbox. Okay, so this which runs like this. Constant app equals require from oh, I am in the current directory, so I just have to go require packages run potato. Okay. Start call. Require current package. I don't know. Oh, I guess I could just go like this and see what happens. App dot. So this is here. So I just go app hello world. Like this. No arguments. I wonder if it'll work or if I have to put in a function. I guess I might as well. No. Okay. So like this. Now this will run. I just wonder if it will. This is already built this. So it should work. Let's see. Can't find module VM2. Okay. So this, come on. Was I changing the wrong one? Yeah. So, this should be persisting. Okay, no, that's not running somehow.
Interact asks.
Let's see. Should work better. Apparently not. Oh. Okay, so like, how do I load main from current directory Node.js? Or maybe I could just go. Oh, this doesn't even. Hold on. This runs it from here. From here. Maybe I can just do this. No. Maybe I can just do this. So maybe like that. Script path to relative. Oh, script path. So script path. Where is this path? Right. So data myscript.js. Right. So that's just to use require. Otherwise, it doesn't matter. Could use path.join. And this will be called bootstrap.js. And I'm just going to copy this. And I'm going to create a bootstrap.js file here. Arg. So it is an argument. This.arg.name. Path. Okay. So let me do a quick install. Cannot find module. Potatoes stack off. So I guess I could do a console. Find module. I wonder what its path. Process. Process.current working directory. Okay. Trying to figure out this machine slowly. No. Potato. I have package.json. What? Oh, because I changed it the wrong way. Okay. That might be what's happening. Package.json. Okay. So okay. Main. Battery. Let's see. Is this package also updated? No. But it's close enough. So apparently I can lose these updates due to the debouncing. Which is not as cool as I would have liked, but... Oh, this server is not running either. Never mind. So I'm just gonna build it again and try running it again. Let's see which one of the two bugs I just fixed actually fixes my issue. This is in packages. Okay. What's going on? Do I have an output? No. Package server. Require. Okay, so this is from the sandbox. Oh, and I think no, it's got external packages. External packages. An array of allowed external module or an object. True. Oh. So supports wildcards. Built to external. Require external modules built in. Do I have mock? Oh, I see. So if I have an external object, if transitive of external. Okay. So modules and transitive instead of true. Or an object. Oh, I see. True. So it could be either one of those things. Okay. So now if I run it, what does it do? Index.js, okay. Oh, is this not even looked at? This is just for documenting? Bootstrap.js. Oh, maybe no. Okay, so if I build it and run it, it should have a better chance of actually working. I'm so glad that I have no idea where. Wow. TypeScript. So it's still having problems. Figuring this out. Let's see what's going on. I guess I have to debug the dev library line by line. Let's see. So current. Okay, that's what I want. So is this one. Okay. Options. Nesting. Okay. Nesting false. External objects. Okay. Okay. External. Okay, transitive, true, cool. I interpreted that correctly. Path. Module name. Oh, really? So let's see. Package run. Node modules. Okay. So at least I know what's going on. And I need to load because it's not node modules. So how do I guess if I installed that and it would be under node modules, it would run like that. Or if I had like another project, like a Bootstrap project in between, it would run like that. So install current package to node modules. I don't know why anybody would do this, but let's see. Nope. That required is not what I was expecting. Wow. So it implies that I have to stay inside node modules. That's why it's not working. Crazy. So, I suppose I need a Bootstrap project where things get installed. But then I have to provide like a file. Provide npm install. So if I do npm install, is this what I have to do here? Let me see. Install. Oh, yes. Okay. So I use the prefix to go to the Bootstrap project, and I install the dependency in the Bootstrap project, which means I'm gonna have to manage the damn packages. Which I don't like, because it's not, because of my sandbox, it just assumes it's the current project that I'm running it from, that it's using the requires. It's using the requires. So it'd be easier if I just ran this it from the Bootstrap project. It's called this whole VM project gets run from its own folder. npm run npm run. npm, so it's going to be a prefix, npm prefix, and then run. And the prefix is oh, and then the problem is, of course, it needs to pass command line arguments through this command so that it can run like that. Let's see. It's going to execute this child process. And I kind of know the behavior of this. It just waits until the end of the process. So, that's okay. It's not very easy, but it's okay. So if I run that bootstrap process, and I tell it which package to load, then that takes care of my sandbox on the server. So that's annoying. So process.argv. Packages-bootstrap is the project name. So I have to be able to run that project. Packages.bootstrap. Because this likes to inherit somehow. Here. Oh, cool. So there's other options. Module is a relative file. Oh, okay. So basically they just don't allow any other modules than the index. Okay. So I guess I'm just gonna have to do it like this.
Someone's question is nail polish. Someone said nails are on.
And then this would work. Just didn't support loading a module from any location. It has to be from the node modules. Because I guess it's not TypeScript, so it doesn't have all that. Which I guess makes sense. So here, that's a nasty bug. It's okay though. I think it'll run this time. Or if not, I just did something stupid with the path again. Let's see if this is any different. Come on. It starts with some relative, or else it gets the hose again. Alright. So, something like this. Let's see. This is getting excited. I'm getting excited about this because this is so finicky. Alright. It's like building up, you know? Okay. So let's see. Okay. Am I passing the options yet? Ooh, nice. Current their name. Oh, it's even doing the crazy path stuff. File name? Let's see. I think nice. Okay. I think that's running now. Oh! I just sandboxed it. And it's async. So it'll keep running. Wow. That feels good. I think I'm hearing some people getting together above me. These people don't know how to quarantine during Corona. So it's very weird having like all these people spreading Corona, and then I've been inside for like a year. I haven't exercised enough, but I think I'm gonna do that next year. Now that Stark is gonna be up and running so fast, it's hilarious. I finally got my requires right, so that it didn't even. Why isn't it logging my? Current working directory. This is really weird. Oh, okay. So for some reason this is still not sending me back my package changes. Where is it? Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. Sure. Console. Hold on. Oh, so this was supposed to run it. So my bootstrapping function definitely didn't get a chance to send anything. But my after I required is doing fine. So let's try it from in here. See what happens. So I'm waiting for it to be persistent. But of course it's not gonna be because I need this to run. So I just need to run it. Still nothing. Finally pull the change. Good. Oh, cool. Oh, no, not yet. Oh, I see. Debugger attached, and then it threw me my root directory. And then, okay, so it runs from the root What? Let's see. That's really weird. So the process is still here in the root directory here. I guess something must be happening. Why isn't it respecting this packages? The root. I guess that's more of an argument than I thought. That's okay. I would have to run the process in a different folder if I was gonna change that, I suppose. That's cool. I guess I can send it as an argument. Okay, so I've successfully sandboxed my process, and it says it's in the so can I run it like this? Because obviously there's nothing really happening there. I don't even know if I need that. I guess I do, because it uses that as a require step at least, even though it doesn't do anything with the process. So let's see. When I run like this, what's going on? Declaration or statement. Oh. Still compiled somehow. Okay, so I don't need that file here. and it essentially just gives me a library that I can play with. Or run asynchronous. I can even do services. It's a whole app that I can call with arguments. Okay, I'm gonna take, I think I'm gonna play a game for like 5-10 minutes after I take a small break, and then I can think about these pods. I guess the first kind of pod that I'm gonna do is like an admin deployment, like the core pods that get deployed, and then I can write them as packages in my packages folder, and then watch them get deployed like the client through the client interface by the core after it's in so here in the roots maybe. No. In the roots. So, not even the roots. It's like in this core. So, after these services are instantiated, node service is up. Oh. Right, so it has the settings. It stands up the services. It also has to create its own nodes. So it uses, I guess, the edge. At the edge, they create their own special kind of node. And given that type of node, my edge will automatically, given that type of node, my edge. Oh, when those nodes get served by this service, so the nodes get served. The nodes. So I can add nodes. I bootstrap the ability to add nodes. And then after I do that, I need to create or load a local user, a local node on the edge, a local node on the edge that will pass along my configuration, like core. So then I do that, and then once I have my edge core deployed, I need to watch that pod, or watch for that node So then I need to watch for the node so that I can deploy admin pods. I'm gonna need a pod service too. So once I have my pods bootstrapped, my pod service bootstrapped, and let's not forget that I also need to get my replication services set up. So that's kind of the flow here. So I have a pod service that gets used by the local the pod service and the edge. So these two things are here, and the pod service and the nodes, the core nodes watch for those kinds of nodes, and then bootstrap some pods from the core. Okay. So this is okay. Time for a break. Okay. Excuse me. Okay.
Interact asks, what kind of story do you want your game?
Cool. Okay. back to recording. Sorry, I'm having a lot of noise today, so I'm just gonna have to drown it out. Okay. So, I was thinking about the replication. So here. Let's see how it's doing. Okay, so it'll run, I guess, most of the time. And if I delete one of these, it will delete it will stop it. So what I need to do is I need to save them somewhere. Let's see. ID and revision I need. Let's see. Okay, so I bootstrap my sandbox, and now I'm back to this node and user replication. So I guess under user config, I'll put my user replication ID and revision. And under my user or node config, I'll put my other my node replication. So let's see. Except it's not this one. This one. Let's try something. No, it's still running. So, my goal is to store these in these okay. So once I've done the replication, I have to re-initialize or reload the user config. And then when I do this, it validates. Sorry, guys.
This year, the experts
Just have to send the word out about this. I might run long today. We'll see. Whoops. Is that how it works? Oh, okay. Alright, so I got the sandbox. Do I have it bookmarked? Yeah. Cool. Okay, so I gotta pin these. Maybe I could figure out what's going on with my public folder too. Let's see. I guess I might as well just keep this running, eh? And I'll try and do the node first, so that it's easier to set up my user afterwards. Okay, so now I have my API here, and the goal is to save this replication information to my resource first of all, and then to my user, so that when I delete those entities, they can. Also, I want to put a date in, so let's see if Object Model has a date. Date? No. Right, project website. Date? Oh, cool. So it's just gotta be the type name. Okay. So these roots are gonna need some love. Specifically, let's see, this database replication debugger. So let's see what it looks like first of all. Now I have to delete everything like so. Right, so before I delete them, I have to delete all their documents. Maybe I can do an update for that too. Yes. So I send this. DB result. ID rev. Okay. Oh, I see. Because when I load, I should check if one exists already. So here, I basically go and then it loads the oh, I see. It loads the server. And it creates these databases. Okay, so it doesn't matter what database I put here. Oh no, this is just the server itself. Wow. Okay. So yeah, I don't have to do this load if I can just store them, which is more work. Because otherwise, either I store them and I load a different set of arguments for an existing replication, because this is a new one. This is a new database replication that just I did this object wrong. Okay. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I need to take a break. Okay. So, I think my best bet is to load from the database so that I don't depend on, so that I can delete it and then reinitialize it after if I ever call save on it. If I ever call save, because I could go load. If let's say I was watching and I wanted to reload that one that one replication for some reason. When I go delete, so here I would go save, and the save would call the delete. Which would validate the state. And then it would remove the previous one and create a new one. So let's see. Come on, I just saw this like last week. Oh, cool. I thought that's what I clicked. Come on. What is happening? Okay. The only problem is
Interact asks,
I need to do this with Couch TV. Or Pouch TV.
what things are
Somewhere in here, like, I think user has to be found. That's not a good one. User content? Yeah, here. So what I need is to find these in the replicator database. So how do I talk to this database? And I go ends with oh, okay, this is the one. Now, I guess I could use a regex. It's not the best. EQ. Seriously, and they don't even greater than. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I guess find is the only option. Oh, okay. So when I load this replication, I actually go to the database and I query for that one Okay, so this loaded is gonna be like only if there's a result here. The selector. How does that work? Oh, okay. Like that. So if I load it, it'll get it from the regular replication database. Hold on. 26. Um, I would have blocked him for calling me bro, but I'd feel bad. When somebody says they're busy, don't bug them.
100 years of master.
Oh, cool. Okay. What's this user config? Schema. So I could go here and I could say this, no relations, just user configs, just replication schemas. Just like that. And then my server, when I delete and when I save, my server just gets created like this. And I validate state after I load. Only if there's a result. Okay. So SDB so here, replication, equals Here, and I go into database replicator. With my user. Here, regex. Okay, so then I need source and target. This dot. target. Source. And target. Okay. Like so. So I guess it's always gonna have a result because wait, no, it's not, because I'm not gonna hit load on it before it's saved, and then I'm gonna save it. And if there's a result, I'm gonna put it in there. Alright. Cool. Except it's not a user config, it's a replication. So I have to load it in order to delete it. If I want to know whether it's known, and I'll throw like an assertion problem. If I just want to try that. Cool. So now I just have to test the loading part. Problem. Here. Replication schema. Oh, okay.
This little thing answers your burning questions. Like, what's it like for an astronaut returning home after a year in space? I would be completely comfortable putting up a hatch on another spacewalk, but if I had been dropped in the middle of a busy grocery store, I would have been aiming for the door.
Oh, so I try loading it.
No matter how big or small your business is, making your own ad on Spotify Ad Studio is as easy as 1, 2.
So I'm gonna have to try loading it and deleting it before I save, so that I prevent duplication. So a silent load and delete before the save. So like this. Try. This is silent. What's the problem? Oh. Okay. And this is this dot load. This dot delete. So like that. And then wait. Like that. So there's two places where my node and my user I'm not gonna load anymore. I'm just gonna save. And hopefully with that regex is okay. Let's see. The edge, is it the admin user uses some of that? Admin name, no. User. Oh, okay, so it's a new UUID. Oh, but users can use any of these. Which, now that I think about, it's not gonna work with this UUID 4. But anyway, I think I'm going to end it there. To do. Actually, I'm going to give these users the site is like, and hopefully next time I'll be able to finish this tomorrow, which is using the regex here to get at this replicated database and find the right replication document. Anyway, that's it for today. We're just finished sandboxing the package, and now I'm just gonna finish this small buggy replication, I'm gonna save that info in the node config. Right. And I'll have to use a different wow. I'll have to use a different find function here if I use an ID. ID this and ID plus revision, which I don't even know if I have to use revision. So I might have two different types of arguments, and I might do it slightly different. Do a slightly different selector here. But yeah, that's gonna be next time, and then once that's done, I can think about saving it. So that later on it can be retrieved, and I can use this to manage replications. I don't know how I would go about figuring out stopped replications. I guess they never really stop unless there's a terrible error. But once that's done, then I can think about this routes, not even routes, I can think about the node, how the edge creates its own node, like here. So it creates its own node, and because of that node, this core service launches its own pods on those nodes. So because of that node, I have a watcher here which deploys its own pods depending on what the node configuration is like. So it's like a bootstrapper for everything else that's not in the core.